Now today let's start with chapter number 2, different parts of computer. In this chapter, I will tell you about the different parts of computer. We have monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, which is the main part of computer and it is known as brain of computer. And there are some special parts like we have scanner, printer. These all are the different special parts that I will tell you in the further chapter. Like we have different organ, like human body, we have different organ. We have eyes, nose, hands. Like this computer also have different parts. And the main 4 different parts are monitor, keyboard, CPU, and your mouse. Now let's start with the chapter. A computer, it is made up of different parts. These parts perform different functions. All parts of computer together make a computer work. जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं वो कंप्यूटर को एक साथ क्या करते हैं, काम करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Now let us study about different parts. First is monitor. This is a monitor. It looks like a television. You can watch movies and listen to songs, play games, and different work you can do on the computer. And the result that is given by it is given on monitor. Okay? It is also known as VDU, that is Visual Display Unit. We can type using keyboard. आप keyboard का use करके you can write whatever you want to write on the computer. And the result we see on the monitor screen. जो भी आपको monitor के screen पे जो भी आपको result दिखाई देता है वो क्या होती है, soft copy. Next is mouse. What is mouse? It looks like a real mouse. It has tail which is connected to the CPU. It has 2 or 3 buttons. And in between there is scroll wheel. With the help of scroll wheel, what you do, you scroll different things. It is always kept on the mouse pad. Where do you keep it? On the mouse pad. We can select, move and open things on the monitor by using or by pressing mouse button. It also helps us to draw and play games. You can draw and play games with the help of mouse. Mouse, they are wireless also and they are connected to the wire with the CPU. Next is your CPU. It stands for Central Processing Unit. What is CPU is known as? It is known as brain of computer. It controls all the functions of the computer. It works as to control all the functions of the computer and it controls all the parts of computer as in monitor, keyboard and mouse. And these parts, they are connected to the CPU to work. If you have to work with these parts, they are first connected to the CPU. Next is keyboard. This is your keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons. These are the buttons of the keyboard. They are known as keys. We have different types of keys. We have alphabetic key, numeric key, and some special keys. In special keys, we have caps lock key, space bar key, enter key, delete key. What are these? These are the special keys that we use in the keyboard. And we have 2 number keys on the top and the right corner. A keyboard has many button calls keys. Just we use a pencil or write on paper. We use keyboard to write with the monitor. It helps us to give instructions to the computer. We can type text and number. आप text और number दोनों को type कर सकते हो. जो भी आपको A to Z दिखेंगी वो alphabetic की होती है. 0 to 9. What are these? These are numeric. Now let's learn about some other more important parts of the computer, like printer. It is used to take copy of the information stored in your computer on a sheet of paper. We can print words, pictures with the help of printer. The printer copy on paper is called printout or hard copy. Or printer, it can be black, white or colored. Black भी हो सकता है, white भी हो सकता है और colored भी हो सकता है. Now UPS. What is UPS? It is interrupted power supply. Like your electricity have gone, okay, off of electricity. It gives some electric supply for some time that you can save your work without getting accident. It keeps on computer on for some time. It gives time to save the work on a computer properly. Next is speaker. Speakers are used to listen to music, okay, and hear sound effects stored in the computer. What is scanner? Scanner is used to copy text, pictures from the paper to the computer. Next is headphones. Headphones we use to listen music that the person who is sitting nearby us do not get disturbed because of the sound. So we use headphones. Only the person who wears the headphones can hear the sound. जिसने वो headphones को पहने हैं, that person will only listen to that sound. Now identify the picture and write the names. I have told you about the different parts of computer. These are some parts of computer. You have to identify them and write their names. Next is microphone. Microphone is used to record our voice and different sound into the computer. Sometimes headphone or microphone both are attached to each other. Next is CD. It is a compact disc. एक ये circular shape में होती है like this. In this, what you do, you can store huge amount of data. And next is DVD. That is digital versatile disk. Why it is used for? It is used to you can store more data as compared to CD. इतना आप CD में store करोगे उससे ज़्यादा आप किसमें कर सकते हो? DVD में कर सकते हो. It also looks like CD. ये भी circular shape की होती है. These are the storage devices. Next is pen drive, which is also known as flash drive. It stores more data than CD and DVD. It is easy to use and you can carry it from one place to another because it is very small. You can carry data from one place to another using CDs, DVDs, and pen drives. Now, what you have to do, you have to find the similarities between electricity inverter and UPS. What is the difference? A vast difference. Now, chapter has been completed. In this chapter, I have told you about different parts of computer. Like we have monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, UPS, your storage device like pen drive, CD, DVD. And I have also told you about scanner and printer. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.